Good morning everyone. I am travelling. As you can see, I've just come out of the hotel. I'm in Switzerland and I'm travelling. It's a long journey today because I'm going to travel from Switzerland. I'm going to go through to France and I'm going to go for a few meetings and things that I have. But it's such a gorgeous day. I don't actually know if I'll be able to show you, but in the background over that way behind me somewhere, I think over there in the distance, I mean I can see it, but I don't know if I can show it on camera. The mountains are covered in snow and it's absolutely gorgeous. And then over that way there is more mountains and it's just beautiful. The weather is gorgeous. I'm wearing my little cardigan and I found this top a few days ago. You might have seen it, I wore it a while ago and I found it again and I thought I'm gonna wear it because I quite like it. But I'm wearing a cardigan, but it's just beautiful, like you can easily just walk around with your t-shirt. So yeah, I thought I'd say a little hello because I haven't been too active lately on YouTube, but I thought I'd say a quick hello and let you know that it's going to be quite a busy day today. Let me turn that way, but I don't know if it's that way. Can you still see us? Yeah, so just thought I'd say hi, and I got my little dog too. He's too cute. Do you want to say hi to him? Let's say hi. Hey, there he is. Say hey everyone. Hi. He's cute, isn't he? He's just too cute. So yeah, this way is better because earlier I was talking and I was squinting. So yeah, I just thought I'd say a quick hello, quick good morning before I carry on. And I've got the gorgeous mountain in the view. Look at that. It's actually beautiful. And I'll try and take a photo, so I'll pop that on Instagram hopefully, if I can get the good picture. But yeah, that's what I've said. I'm wearing my little t-shirt, my cardigan, but it's too hot, so I'm gonna be like that for now. And I just thought I'd say a quick hello, quick good morning before I carry on. Switzerland is actually beautiful. It is beautiful. I've been to Switzerland before. I've been to Zurich and I fell in love with the place because it's just such a gorgeous, calm, it's so peaceful and so beautiful. The buildings are beautiful. So I love going to Switzerland, I love visiting, and I will speak to you all later because once I start talking I don't stop. So I'll stop talking for now, take a few photos hopefully, and then I will catch up with you all later. Morning everyone, so I'm in the car and I just quickly wanted to say that I'm really excited today. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to get up to. I'm actually on my way to Brackley to go to Mercedes, the Formula 1 team. So I'm going to go and have a look around the factory, see what happens. But I'm on the road, so I'm going to let you go and I'll see you all shortly. I'm hiding, well I'm not hiding, I just don't know how much I can film. And the factory is absolutely gorgeous. I mean there's a lake down here. I've never been before so I'm a little bit nervous. So hopefully I'll be able to show you a little bit, but I've like got the camera down here because I don't know what I can show you and what I can film. But for those of you that know, I write about Formula 1. I've got another blog about Formula 1 and Mercedes kindly invited me down to come and see what happens in the factory, what the team get up to, and obviously how things go throughout the race weekend. I'm really excited. So yeah, I'll hopefully be able to show you a bit more, but it's beautiful, that's all I'm gonna say. But because my appointment is in 5 minutes, I'm gonna go, but I just thought I'd quickly say that I'm here. It looks beautiful so far and I'm so excited. I don't actually know what to expect too much because this is sort of new for me, but I mean, if someone knows me and knows how much I love Formula 1, will know that this is like, I'm like a kid on Christmas Day waiting for their gifts. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna go now because I don't want to be late. So hopefully I'll be able to show you a little bit of what happens and I'll speak to you all in a little bit.